Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. Today in this video we will learn how to mass assign the permission sets to the users with the help of Salesforce data loader tool. And before that I would like to introduce our newly launched Salesforce admin course. So first let me show you the course content and then we will carry on with the topic. This is the Salesforce admin course and we have posted it on our website, and I will also post the link for this course in the description from where you can access this course. So these are the modules that we have covered in this course. So it's a beginner to advanced level Salesforce course, and there are 9 plus modules and 20 plus hours HD video, and you will also get the PDFs and the certification after the completion. And also there is an offer for 50% discount for the early birds. So these are the modules and the contents that you are going to get in this course. And if you subscribe this course right now, you have to pay only $99 instead of $199. So even if you are a beginner, then you will understand each and everything in this course. And to get this course, you can redirect to our website, and from there you can subscribe to this course. So in Salesforce, a data loader is used to perform data operations like insert, update, export, and delete. So it have a capability to manage large data operations, and it is also efficient in managing permission sets, where it simplifies the process of assigning or removing permission sets for multiple users. And using a data loader proves to be a productive when we have to assign permission sets to multiple users. So let's move ahead and see the process, and make sure that the users you are selecting for the permission set have the required permission to have the license of that particular permission set. So let's move ahead and see the process. So first we will prepare a CSV file with the help of which we are going to insert the data regarding assigning permission sets to the users. So here we need the CSV file with the header column, assignee ID, and permission set ID. So in the permission set header column, we need to enter the ID of the permission set that we are going to assign to the users. And in the assignee ID, we need to enter the ID of the users to which we are going to assign the permission set. So to get the assignee ID, that means we need to get the ID of the users, and for that we will run a data export operation for the user's data object. So for that, open the data loader tool and here click on the export button, and then log in with your credentials. And in this step, search and select the user's data object, and after this select the location for the data extract file, and after this click on the next button. And in this step we have to select the query fields. So here we need the ID of the users, so we will select the query field ID, and for the reference we will select the name field. And after selecting the query fields, click on this finish button, and here click yes to proceed. So now the data is extracted, and we have to click on this button view extraction, and here click on this button open in external program so that we can get the data from this CSV file. So here is the list of username with their IDs. So here we need the IDs of the users to which we are going to assign the permission set. So for example, I am taking this for users, and from here I will copy the IDs of these users and then go back to the CSV file that we have created, and here I will enter the ID of the users. And now to get the permission set ID, we have to go back to our Salesforce console, and here navigate to the permission set from the quick find box, and here search and select the permission set. So here I am using the permission set new user permissions, and to get the ID of this permission set, you have to just go to the URL of this page, and from here you can see the code is starting from 0. You have to just copy it and then go to the CSV file, and here enter the code that you have got from the URL. So I'm keeping it same for all the users because I want this all users in the same permission set. And if you want to assign the permission set to different users with different permission sets, then you have to run a data export operations for the permission set data object, and there you will get the ID of all the permission set that are present in your organization. And as of now our CSV file is completed, so I will save this CSV file in my system from where it can be accessed to the data loader. So after creating the CSV file, we will run a data import operation, and for that click on the data loader tool, and here I will close the previous data operations. And in the data loader, click on the insert button. And in these steps, activate the checkbox show all Salesforce object, and then search and select the permission set assignments, and then select the CSV file that we have created right now. And after selecting the CSV file, click on the next button. And as we click on the next button, the data loader will initialize the CSV file and display the number of rows present in the CSV file. So here click on the OK button to proceed, and here click next. And in this step, we have to create the mapping between the header columns and the Salesforce object field names. For that, click on the button create or edit a map. Then in the mapping dialog window, click on the button auto match field to columns. So as you can see that column headers are auto matched to the object field names. And in case they are not auto matched, then you have to drag the Salesforce object field down to the column mapping. And after the mapping, click on the OK button and here click next. And the last step, select the location for the error and the success file that can be used later to review the data operation. And then click on the finish button. Here click on yes to proceed. So now the data operation is completed, and in the dialog box we can see the message of 4 successful inserts. So that means we have successfully assigned the permission set to the selected users. And to view the status, we have to click on this button view successes. And in the CSV viewer of the data loader, we can see the status as item created. And from here you can navigate to the permission set that in which you have assigned the users. So this was the permission set in which I have assigned the user. And here click on the manage assignments, and here you can see the name of the users that we have assigned into this permission set with the help of data loader. So this is how we can mass assign the permission set with the help of Salesforce data loader tool. And I hope that you have liked this video. Then please do like, share and subscribe us, and do not forget to hit the bell icon so that you can get regular updates of our upcoming videos. And thank you for giving your time and watching this video till last. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.